Hi, I'm Jeremy with the Practical IT channel, and today we're going to dig a little bit deeper into Croc. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Let's get started. Installing and updating Croc on a Linux or macOS system are going to be the exact same process. So we are going to take our command and we're going to paste it in here. It's curl https://getcroc.com, and we're going to pipe that into bash. Since my last time working with Croc, they have released yet another update, so we are going to go ahead and get everything to the latest version. So we're going to hit enter. It's going to do its thing, and it's basically replacing the existing executable. And just like that, if we do Croc version, it's going to tell us we're on 11.1.1. All right, I may have mentioned either in the first video or in the live streams that have happened since then. Again, my live streams only stay public for 48 hours. I set up an instance on DigitalOcean to use as a Croc relay that I had full control over. Let's take a look at that now. We're going to connect. And of course, we need to update Croc on this machine. We'll run our Croc installer command, and since I am root here, then everything is fine. We can check the Croc version. We are in fact on version 11.1.1. So to run your relay, it's simply Croc relay, and it's going to start up the relay server. We've got the relay up and running, but how would you actually go about using it? That's what we're going to look at in this section. So we're going to open up another panel here. We're on the Mac Mini. We're going to go into downloads, and we're going to say Croc --relay. We're going to give it the IP address 143.198.23.51. Send Wireshark DMG file. Hit enter, and then we're going to go over to a Linux machine, and we're going to take the Croc secret here, and we're going to paste it onto that machine. Now, I had questions asked, how would you get this piece of text to the other machine if they're not on the same screen? Well, step back from the demonstration. How would you get a piece of text from one place to another? Text messaging, Slack, Telegram, email, what have you. You know how to do this. Format for Linux and macOS machines is Croc secret, and then the secret phrase, the command Croc, and then specifying the relay. If you're using one, we'll hit enter. It's going to ask if you want to accept, enter again, and this is going to go ahead and push that file over. And just like that, we have the DMG file on our Linux machine. I wanted to wrap this up by taking a quick look at the documentation and letting you know where you can go for more information. The first of two websites I want to take a look at is getcroc.com. Now this has the web interface for Croc, and if you haven't experimented with Croc yet, this is a great place to start. You can use a dummy file, you can transfer it between two spots, you can play around with some of the options that are available through this interface. It also has links to the documentation, the GitHub, and of course, if you are one of those people, you can switch it to light mode. The final spot I recommend you taking a look at is the GitHub page. I will have links to both of these down in the description, but the GitHub is where you can get the official installer, and you can read more about Croc and see their little animation of what it's doing. It gives you all the information you really need to get started, including some examples, how you can run it on Docker, options for Android apps, unofficial desktop apps, and again, your usage down here. So dig into this, and if you have questions, let me know down in the comments. I'm happy to look into them. I'm happy to look at some of the examples and go into further detail and further examples where it makes sense. Obviously, for a video, I am not going to be trying to transfer 100 gigabytes worth of data because that just makes for a boring video. All things considered, we can do some additional examples if the community desires them and keep things moving forward. Again, I think this is an interesting project, and just like the first video, before I finished recording this, they've already bumped the version. When I started recording, this was at 11.1.1, and now it's at 11.1.2. So it is under active development, which is more than I can say for some other projects that have been mentioned in the comments. On that note, thank you everybody for watching. Please hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you in the next video.